Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Haute Modesty. Today, I have an unboxing of Glossybox. So if you're interested in seeing what's in here, please stay tuned. Okay, are you ready to see what's in the Glossybox box? Box? Before I get started, I just want to talk a little bit about the subscription box. It's a beauty subscription box that comes monthly, and it's $21 a month. But if you sign up for 3, 6, up to 12 months, there's different prices. So the cheapest is the 12 months, which is for the full year, and it ends up becoming $17 a month. But right now, there is a special going on, and it's $15 for your first box. And you can go month to month to month. And if you get the first box, you don't like it, you can cancel at any time. There's no contract or anything. And so what I'll do is I will leave a link in the details box below. And so if you're interested in signing up, please use that link. Okay, without further ado, let's see what's in here. And this has only been the second box that I received. The first one I actually received along with my advent calendar. You remember this was the company that had that beautiful advent calendar box with all those goodies in there. And so I was really excited, after that to get these boxes in. They seem to be pretty good. So, and how this comes is they don't come taped. You gotta, ta-da! And so I don't get to use my super duper tools. And so, again, I think you remember this part of it because now I see this, I'm remembering it all over again. Is that little wine card that says personalized wines delivered to your door, $50 off. So it comes with a coupon. Nope, I won't be needing that. And then there's something new here. Vincero, $50 gift card. Oh, looks like some kind of a watch company. And there's a $50 gift card in here if you want to go ahead and, purchase something. Wow, my cat is really loud today. You hear her? She's like, Mommy, Mommy. Now that I pointed out, she's quiet. Oh, there she goes. Oh. Okay, so again, this is a box within a box. And I like how they do this because this is so nice. And their box is like, look how pretty this is, right? And I love pink, as you guys know. So these boxes I tend to keep. I actually have last month's box as well. Because these I can put like things in there. And plus you can use it to re-gift it, And so, as usual, it comes like this with the card inside with a nice little ribbon. And let's see what the card says. And it actually comes wrapped. This is so fancy. This is not like some of the other boxes that come like either with just you open it up and things all over the place. But look how nice. These little touches really matter something, mean something. Matter something? Yeah, it matters something. No, it means something, because they took that extra time to put this on there because I don't think this is done by a machine. This is like a human touch, So, anyway, enough of that. So, let's see what the card says here. It says Makeup and Magic. Glossybox. Ooh, makeup and magic. That means there's makeup in here. Because they do actually tend to have some skincare, a lot of skincare. But I like their skincare because so far it's been pretty good because I haven't gotten things that are like, for 12-year-olds. They're usually very nice and fragrance-free and very well researched. So I enjoy that. Okay, so it does have the information inside with all of the prices. And so I will go ahead and put this aside. And so I will refer to it when after I go through the product. So let's open it up. I'm trying to stop saying, go ahead and do this. Go ahead and do that. It's like somebody saying, that's annoying. I know. I'm so sorry. I'm really working on that. I watched my video and I'm like, oh my God, did I say I'm going to do this again? Just do it. Don't talk about I'm going to. So anyway, yeah. Okay, oops, I tore the tissue a little bit. Okay, the first thing I want to show you is it looks like eyeliner from a company called Deuce, and it is Ultra Precise Eyeliner. Okay, here it is. And it looks like your basic black. And it is. And I'm not going to swatch this because it's, you know, it's a basic black eyeliner, and I'm going to put this in a giveaway, and I don't want to like swatch it. Then I won't be able to do that because I have tons of this stuff. And is this no, it's not a roll up. Oh, it's good. It's a sharpened ones because I like that a lot better. Okay, that's that. And then the next piece is, it's called Rescue. And let me read a little about this. And this is a Rescue Balm Post-Blemish Recovery Cream. That's nice. Push your comeback into hyperspeed. Post-blemish skin takes forever to recover. Zits can leave you with bumps, spots, texture, and scarring that lasts weeks. Rescue Balm invisibly melts into the skin, leaving it looking smoother, bouncier, and visibly renewed. Formulated with pentanol, which retains moisture content, rejuvenates and fortifies, beta-glucagon, rapidly smooths upset skin, and vitamin E revitalizes skin texture. Okay, that actually looks like it might make sense. Yeah. And it is a small sample of it, and it's by Hero Cosmetics, and it's just a small sample here. And I'll tell you what this retails for. The full size retails for $17.99. This small one here is worth $4. And yep, and that's that. And oh, I didn't tell you how much the eyeliner, as far as the eyeliner, precision eyeliner, that is $22. Okay, and moving on, you know, I'm going to stay with the theme. This is called the Mighty Patch. It's probably something that you put same thing, it does the same thing except for it's in a patch form. Let's see. Mighty Patch Invisible and Rescue Balm. Say goodbye to breakouts with this duo. The invisible patch can be worn under makeup and help to extract impurities, protecting your skin while reducing the pimple. Afterwards, reach for the Rescue Balm to spread up the skin healing. It says, tip, place one patch over any breakout and leave it for at least 6 hours. Once the blemish has reduced, apply the balm to affected area. And this full size would be $12.99. And matter of fact, these two together, they're calling these a deluxe sample. I'm like, what? This deluxe sample? Okay. Is $4. Okay. Okay. And next is by Wonder Beauty. It's called something baggage. Okay, oops. It is the Baggage Glam? Oh, Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. Man, I can't read or speak. It's because I'm blind as a bat. And I'm sitting here with a magnifying glass that's not working for me. Well, it might help if I turned it on, huh? Okay, so let me tell you a little about this. The Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. Experience 3 innovative layers of luxury with these award-winning eye masks, packed with hyaluronic acid and aloe leaf extract to hydrate, depuff, and more. Your under eyes will look brighter than ever. Tip, apply onto clean, dry under eye with foil side facing up. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, then pat remaining serum into the skin. So this pair, there's a pair in here. It's $4.16. But if you get the full size, which is 6 pairs, it's $25. Okay. Okay. Wait a minute. So it's cheaper to get this like deluxe sample if you really think about it, right? Because it's $4.16. 4 times 6 is $24 and change. Okay. All right, it's okay. Okay, that's that. And next, there's 2 more products here, and I'm saving the best for the last. Guess what it is? Yeah, it's an eyeshadow palette. Not like I don't have enough. I need another one like I need another hole in my head. I don't need another one, but that's okay. This is made in USA and Temple City, California, USA. It's by Nars Cosmetics. Whoa, my bad. It's made in the PRC. It says on the side, it says in tiny, made in PRC. I don't know if you know what PRC is. A lot of people say PRC is somewhere, but they're not really sure what it is. It means People's Republic of China. And I think a lot of these cosmetic companies get a little bit sneaky because people may not know what People's Republic of China is or PRC means, but they do definitely know what China means. And they had some regulatory issues, you know, because of the conditions of factories and things like that. So China gets a pretty bad rap as far as manufacturing on some of this stuff. So, you know, now they're smart enough to put PRC on there. So, yeah. And if you watched my video about sanitization and all that, I mentioned a little bit about countries that the FDA, you know, is looking at different areas as far as manufacturing, using clean ingredients and things like that. So, yeah. There's a whole article I read about this. It's called a white label company, where like indie brands, they're not big enough to have their own manufacturing process. So they actually hire like white label companies like in China to manufacture their things. So I don't know if that's the case here. This is La Splash. It's based in Los Angeles, but I'm not really familiar with the company. So, but anyway. So here is the palette. It's actually very pretty. The container, aesthetically pleasing to my eyes, which is good. And let's see what's in here. Oh, this is very nice, actually. It even has a nice mirror. But it looks like there's a bunch of neutrals here. And I do like neutrals, but this is definitely going in my giveaways because these are the colors I have probably so many palettes. Probably every company I have a palette with these colors, but these are very pretty. And they have colors that are called selenite, sunstone, argonite, tiger's eye, onyx, amber, citrine, and rose quartz. And of course, these are names of stones, crystals. And so this is very nice. La Splash, and it's called it's just called the La Splash eyeshadow palette. There's no name to it, but okay, but this is very nice. This is very pretty. And the last item is also by La Splash, and here it is. I have a feeling this is a some kind of a brush. I'm gonna say that's a brush. And you know what this reminds me of what I thought it was at first when I saw a package like this? Chopsticks. You know how you get these takeaway chopsticks where they come in these little things like this? That's what it looked like. I hope it's not chopsticks. I was kidding. Oh no, they're brushes. So, okay, yeah, it says Spectrum. It's actually not by La Splash. It's by Spectrum. And they just did their packaging kind of similar. And here it is. And it is a little bit of an angled fluffy brush. It's a little bit out of shape, but once you wash it, it'll be okay. And it just has a number, let's say B07, but it doesn't say what it is. But it's an angled fluffy brush. So here it is. Okay. All right. And, you know, I didn't tell you what all these were worth. So as far as the eyeshadow goes, the La Splash Cosmetics, the eyeshadow, it retails for $32. And this brush retails for $8.99. And did I tell you what the baggage claim was? Yeah, I did. I made fun about that. Okay, I think that's it, guys. If I added any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, all of you strangers out there, please do consider subscribing and joining the Wildflower family. I do upload videos on a daily basis. And please check that bell so that way you'll know every time I upload a new video. And so this box was not bad at all. I'm not unhappy with it. So let me know what you think. Leave it in the comments below. And so thank you so much for spending your time with me. And remember, don't sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.